is a really nice nature reserve. Oh, that's a Smith shop. We shouldn't be passing under these trees, baby. Oh, look at the tractor that's barred though.
I want to picture right there in front of the store.
Why are y'all supersized? Look at these chickens. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, that's a rooster. Oh, look at that one there.
Beautiful. Hi. Hey, Bookie.
What kind is that?
That's a Rhode Island red right
I
there.
know that's a Rhode Island red. I'm talking about the black and white.
Oh, he is so beautiful.
Oh, he's a mean one.
Oh, he's mean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Hi, Bookie. Hey, Bookie. You remind me of my babies. Hi. Hi. Hey, Bookie, Bookie, Bookie. They're so pretty. How you flare up? Leave those hens alone. They are so gorgeous. They are so gorgeous.
Oh, it's more than one.
Oh, he's sleeping. His fat belly self. Why do they breathe so hard?
I don't know, but let's just get from over here.
This is exciting. What are you talking about?
I don't like pigs.
She's happy, y'all. We out here in the wilderness of Georgia.
This is the one you should have done your thing on.
Hmm?
This is the one you should have done your thing on.
What thing should I have done?
You should have done it and put this on, what do they call it? YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
My mom likes my YouTube channel. Tiffany's Farm. Hashtag Tiffany's Farm.
Press the like button.
And subscribe.